are the D3941 brass oval doorknobs. They're a really nice solid brass doorknob, made from solid brass all the way through, and they come with a nice mortice bar. It's a good long mortice bar that goes in the centre of these, so you can cut this mortice bar down to fit your door size. The roses on the back of these doorknobs, the disc on the back is fixed to the doorknob, so it's a nice easy fixing to your door basically. So you just need to put 3 screws into the rose and that will hold the doorknob onto your door. So a really nice easy way to fix it. All the screws are provided with them, but they're a nice good quality doorknob, and they polish up lovely actually. You can polish brass quite easily with a bit of Brasso, keep them maintained beautifully. So that's the brass oval doorknobs.